we're coming off the patio and we're actually going to go to check out the trail here on the property. Let me bounce it a little bit. You'll see a ton of really nice plants on this trail. It is very cool. It kind of splits here. So, yeah, I'm going to go this way. Now, on this property, there are a ton of fruit trees, which is pretty amazing. So, I will get you the list of what all of those are. But it is definitely very, very nice. Oh, there's some bananas. See those? And then I think they have oranges and limes and all kinds of things. And this is the back property line. And then they have a, what they call a bodega. It's like a little storage shed. And they have a backup water tank, just in case. So this is above the house. There's stairs right there going down. And then this is just the upper property area. I'm going to pause it here and go back to that split in the trail. Alright, now we're going the other way on the trail. They have a lot of rocks down to walk on. And again, just a really large assortment of beautiful plants, trees, really big trees. And this will just take you into the lower yard here. And it looks like they have a whole entire field of banana trees over here. It could be plantains. Not really sure. A whole group of those.